What do the dashboard indicators and instrument cluster in the 2022 Toyota Prius Prime display? They provide key information about the vehicle's status, including fuel levels, speed, warnings, and hybrid system performance. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Brake system warning light. High coolant temperature warning light. Charging system warning light. Low engine oil pressure warning light. Malfunction indicator lamp. SRS warning light. ABS warning light. Electric power steering system warning light. Slip indicator. Inappropriate pedal operation warning light. PKSB off indicator, low fuel level warning light. Driver's and front passenger's seatbelt reminder light. Rear passenger's seatbelt reminder lights. BSM indicator, open door warning light. Intuitive parking assist off indicator, master warning light. Headlight indicator, headlight high beam indicator. Ready indicator, shift position indicators. Tire pressure warning light. Turn signal indicator. Tail light indicator. Automatic high beam indicator. Fog light indicator. Parking brake indicator. PCS warning light. Dynamic radar cruise control indicator. Cruise control indicator, cruise control set indicator. AR bag on-off indicator, ECO mode indicator. LTA lane tracing assist, AFS off indicator. VSC off indicator, TRAC off indicator. Smart key system indicator, steering control indicator. Security indicator, high coolant temperature warning light. Heated steering wheel indicator, SAPGS indicator. Electric vehicle drive mode indicator, PWR mode indicator. EV indicator. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2. Scanner for diagnostic. General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.